Yeah, I know what you're thinking. You can get a job in the Middle East simply by trying or by magic, through others, or by fluke. Remember that competition is everywhere. Some here, some there, but bam! Loy Macedo is the best.
Okay, ask you a question, okay? Have you ever been in love with someone? Let's say you want to marry someone, and you propose to them. It can be a guy or it can be a girl, and you propose to them and tell them, I want to marry you or whatever. And the person says no. And then when you ask the person why, the person will give you the most genuine reasons. Oh, my mother, something, fill in the blanks. Oh, my father, fill in the blanks. Oh, my studies. Oh, my, the society. Oh, the religion. Oh, in my caste. Or you can fill whatever you want. Mother, father, or you could say last dying wish. My mother will not agree, father will not agree. Society, or what will they say? Oh, religion. Our religion, they'll not allow. My family will kill me. Or this, the Pandit said our astrological charts, the numbers don't match. Okay, they'll give you all these reasons. Now let me give you another example. Okay, this was one. You want to apply for a job, and then they tell you, oh, whatever, fill in the blanks. That's why we can't take you. Lost the project. Oh, the budget, the economy. Oh, there were so many candidates. Oh, the boss said this or that. Okay. Take the last example. You want money or help or something. And the person does, oh, this, oh, that, or whatever. But the person on social media will show amazing success, money, car, girls, nightclubs, shoes, the latest iPhone. But you asking for help, my budget, I just spend the money, this and that, okay, whatever. Okay. Now, I'm not saying that these reasons are not valid. There might be some truth in it. Okay, there might be some truth to it. But you know what I've realized in life? I've realized when someone wants to do something, when someone really wants to do something, they will do it no matter what. They'll not give you any excuse. They'll not give you any reasons. Nothing. If the girl really wants to marry you, she'll just marry you. Guy, he'll just marry you. He wouldn't give a fuck about anything else. If a person just wants to give you a job and they really want you, they'll not give you any excuse. Oh, the project, or this, or that. And if a person really wants to help you or lend you money, they will lend. Now, that's not to say that there are no genuine reasons. Let's say, for example, you're not mature and the person doesn't want to marry you, really doesn't want to marry, and says, you're not mature. That's a fact. So you need to separate fact from just fiction sometimes. So I'm not giving those exceptional cases, the majority. Let's say one more example is, suppose they wanted to employ you and the project got cancelled. That's a genuine reason. Okay. Or the person really cannot help you because the person has spent money on their credit card to buy a phone. Okay. But the point I'm trying to make here is, when someone really wants to do something now, they won't give you any bullshit excuses. I'll give you examples in real life where they really matter. For example, you want to do exercise. If you're really determined, if you're really focused, no matter what, you will do exercise. If you want to study, no matter what, you feel sleepy, you feel tired, you feel sick, you will study. If you really want to achieve the monthly target, high water, whether the sun is bloody burning out or whether there's a stampede or there's flood, the person will do whatever it takes to ensure he or she achieves the target. Now, that's not to say that you'll succeed at all, every step of the way. But it will show that you have the resilience, you have the character. You're not going to stop. Why I'm giving you this example? Why? I got up in the morning. I didn't want to get up actually a little early because my biological clock is now gone on whack. I'm getting up at 4 or 5 in the evening. So I want to get up early so I can do these videos when walking. I can finish my exercise. Others, if I get up late, it's dark and mosquitoes, you can't run. And this place is dangerous, because cars come like crazy. So I want to push my biological clock back to normal. But then what happens is clients and so many things come in the way. And a client has money, I'm ready. Coffee, I'll sip, I'll be active. But then, it's always a struggle to maintain the biological clock. So I got up at around 1 o'clock, even though I was feeling really sleepy. My one eye was like this. So got up, drank espresso, told my wife, just press my head a little bit because it's paining. And I decided I'll go for my run. Decided to go for the run. All of a sudden, the gods in the sky decided time to rain. And it started to rain and wind and the trees were swaying and you know what happens, coconut falls. You've seen in my videos. And I was like, oh, bloody hell. I can't do my exercise. Should I do my exercise? Yeah, the thought comes, oh, should I do exercise? Oh, no, man, forget it. You'll get sick. Just relax at home. But for me, it was like, no, nothing doing. Just bloody do your exercise and finish it off. Rain or sun or snow or whatever. I went, I did my run. Came back. Rain stopped. I just changed my undergarments and I changed my shoes because they were soaking wet. This was the same. So, and now I'm making the video. I had actually planned some other topics. These are the topics I had planned out. But I'm making this one because now I feel this is more appropriate. Now, why am I sharing this? Why am I sharing this topic with you? In fact, let me tell you something. This is, you'll not know this, but this is my, I think, 4th or 5th attempt at making this video. Seriously, I tried to make this video again and again. Every time I got a brain fart and, I don't know, maybe if you want, I'll put the B-roll and show you. I'm trying to make this video 5 times. I lost my thought 5 times. But I was like, no. Nothing doing, I'll make the video. So, if you want to see the B-roll footage, let me know. Because sometimes you guys think, no, I just put on the camera and talk flawlessly. Not that way, man. So, why am I sharing this message, or what is my message to you? If you want to do something, just fucking do it, man. Don't give bloody excuses. Oh, this, that, oh, I was tired, or oh, my mother was sick, my father was sick, my wife is this, someone died, or... See, I'm not saying those things don't happen. For example, if suppose there's a death in the family, or someone is genuinely sick, got COVID or something, I don't expect you, oh, no matter what, I'm going to still go for exercise, or I'm going to still do my thing. No. Use your brains. You know what I'm saying. It's very easy to give excuses not to do something. And you can, end of the day, you can fool the world. You can't fool yourself, You'll have to live with yourself. So if you're bullshitting, you can convince the world, oh, so-and-so, oh, this happened, that happened. But end of the day, you have to look at yourself in the mirror and realize, who am I fooling, man? For me, today, I stay away from society. I stay away from the rat race. I'm self-employed. I do my own thing. I'm happy. It's not that I'm not happy. I'm happy. But one thing is for sure. If I give excuses, I have to pay the price for it. So that is why there's no excuse. So whether I feel tired, whether I feel not so creative, whether I feel it's raining, whether there's no electricity, nobody gives a fuck. I need to make the video, put it up, serve the clients, offer solutions, get the job done, earn the money, finish the day, go to sleep. Same thing with you. That is why when anyone shares their problems, I tell them, nobody gives a fuck, man. Your problem, nobody gives a fuck. That is why when I tell people my charges, oh law, you know this or that. Sorry, none of my business. I don't care. When you are making millions, you're not going to take care of me. Now you're suffering. Why the fuck should I care? That's how the world is. Say, if I could outline my message in just one line, it would be this. You want to do something? Just fucking do it. Don't give bloody excuses to yourself or to society. And if you don't do it, just say, I chose not to do it. Don't say, I couldn't do this. I chose not to do it. That's it. I chose to do it or I chose not to do it. So when you say that word, I chose, you empower yourself. You take personal responsibility. And that is what I tell even my clients and students. Take personal responsibility. Don't give bullshit. That's why when anyone says, oh law, I don't have time. No, you choose not to make time. That's how it should be. Anyway, this is what I wanted to share with you guys. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Yeah, alright. You guys take care. It's me signing off.
Yeah, I know what you're thinking. You can get a job in the Middle East simply by trying or by magic, through others or by a fluke. Remember that competition is everywhere. Some here, some there, but bam! Loy Macedo is the best.